An emergency alert has been issued for Cebu. Cebu is under blue alert. Bagyong Tino or Typhoon Tino possibly could hit Cebu Island. Please follow what the authorities said. Prepare an emergency kit and go to the nearest evacuation center immediately. If you live near a river, evacuate immediately or it will flood. Emergency sirens will be heard when the flooding will start. Please do monitor if the river height rises to 0.5 - 0.5. If you hear a wavering tone, please prepare to evacuate. This is what the sound will sound like. If you hear an air raid siren, you have to evacuate immediately. This is what the sound could look like. Stay tuned and stay vigilant. Thank you for cooperating with us.